See. Jesus.
Yes. Yes.
Yum. Yum. Again? What's this man doing? He's turning children to yam? Jesus Christ. Don't take it, don't take it, don't take it. Don't take this biscuit, don't take this biscuit, don't take it.
No.
Again. Again.
Yes.
Again. Where do you think you are going to? Eh? Where do you think you are going to?
What do you mean?
Return them now.
Return what?
Return them! Return these children now.
Whose children? I don't understand.
Oh, wait. So, for your mind, nobody saw you.
Don't leave me.
I saw you. You are not going anywhere until you return these children.
What do you mean these children? This is yam now. What do you mean? What do you mean it's children? This is yam. Have you not seen yam?
Oh, that is not yam. This is not an ordinary yam. I saw you when you returned them to this yam.
Will you leave me? What's the meaning of this?
I'm not leaving you. You are not going anywhere until you return these children now.
Jimmy, this is not children now. This is yam. I just bought it from Aboki now.
You bought it from Aboki? Which Aboki? Where did you see Aboki here?
There's Aboki in that market now.
Stop lying because I saw you. I clearly saw you.
What do you mean that you saw me?
See, I saw you when you turned the first child. And I saw you when you turned the second child.
I don't know what you are talking about.
Okay, you are not going anywhere. See, you are not. I'm not leaving you.
What's the meaning of this?
Return them. Okay, you want me to shout, huh?
Shout for what?
You want me to shout so that people will come out. And if they come out, they will just do it. So you better talk. Return them now.
What do you mean that? If I
shout, and people come out here.
What do you mean?
I can't
say that. Why are you embarrassing me?
Return these children now. I think you are not going anywhere. You want to?
What do you mean?
Oh yeah, return them now.
Return what?
Return them now. Stop wasting my time. Look, I was saying you should return these children now.
See, you are saying you are telling me to return what? I don't understand.
So you think I'm a fool, right? I'm not a fool. See, I saw you. I clearly saw you from there. So return these children right now.
Return
what? You're not going anywhere. Return them.
This is yam now. What do you mean that I should return?
I said that you are not going anywhere. Return them now.
Return what?
Okay.
Now? What do you mean?
You want me to shout back?
Wait.
Return them.
See. I can make you rich.
You can make me rich.
Yes, I can make you rich.
Are you rich?
Yes.
You are rich and you are like this.
I can make you rich.
You can make me rich.
This is the period of money now. The period of Christmas. Let's check.
The period of Christmas. Can't you work? Can't you work? Huh? So this is what you do. Turning people to yam.
Calm down.
To make money, right?
Calm down.
Return them.
Calm down.
I'm not coming down until you return these children now. Return them right now.
Don't worry, I will return them, please. Why are you shouting? Let's share this thing.
Share what?
See, there is a business in this thing. Let's check this thing.
See, if you don't return them, I will be
No. If this thing they can't come back again. See, this is my life.
Oh yeah, return them now.
I will return them.
If you don't want, return them.
Wait now. Let's do this. Wait. I will turn them. Drop it. I will turn them.
If I drop it, what will happen?
I will turn them.
Start doing it now. I will shout to. I say you should return them now. Return them back to human being right now. Should I shout?
No, don't.
Or you start doing it now.
You can do business now.
I will shout too.
Wait.
Rub it in the biscuit. Anybody that takes the biscuit will come to one. Remember, this is your life. It must not break. If it breaks, you are gone. That's it. I warned you. It must not break.
Okay, Baba.
It must not break. Rub it on the biscuit.
Okay, Baba.
Anybody that pick the biscuit will turn to yam.
Okay, Baba.
Then you bring the yam here. I will make you a billionaire. Remember, it must not break.
Okay,
If it breaks, go.
okay, Baba.
Go, the great oracle is with you.
Okay, Baba.
Go, never look back.
Thank you.
Go.
Thank you, Baba.
Stop wasting. Do it now. Okay, start doing it. Okay.
No. I'll do it. Gidiga.
Jesus Christ. Come on. Come back! You! What is even wrong with you both? Why did you pick something on the road? Something that is not yours? Why? Just give me. See, from today onwards, anything you see on the road, don't take it because it's not yours. Okay? Because it's not good. See, this period, this festive period, a lot of things is happening. Many people are coming back to do something. You don't know what they are doing in the city. Some of them are coming back for a purpose, which we don't know. So you need to be very, very careful. Okay? Whenever your mom or your dad sends you to do something, if anyone calls you, just answer. If you see anything on the floor, don't pick. Anything that you see on the floor, don't pick because it's not yours. Because of your life. Because this period is very, very dangerous. Okay? Just be very, very careful. You understand? Now, you can run. Don't look back. Just run. Start running now. Run!